Hi everyone, this is a quick video from me, John Corbett, or as a lot of people know me, Corbett Maths, to let you know there's exactly 121 days to go until your first GCSE Maths exam paper. So whether you're preparing for AQA, EdXL or OCR, or CA M1 to M4, your first GCSE Maths exam paper is on the morning of Thursday, the 14th of May, 2026. And to help you prepare for those GCSE Maths exam papers, I have made the 100 days to go revision sessions. So I've made the revision sessions that start with 100 days to go all the way to 1 day to go. And those daily revision sessions will go through lots of topics, but also revision techniques in terms of advice, in terms of how to approach the night before the exam, what equipment you need. There'll be practice papers. I'll be going through the answers to practice papers and lots more. And those revision sessions, there's the 100 days to go revision sessions for GCSE Higher, and also the 100 days to go revision sessions for GCSE Foundation. And with 121 days to go until the GCSE Maths exam, what that means is it's exactly 3 weeks, 21 days, until we start those 100 days to go revision sessions. So you're probably really excited about that, and I really hope that those revision sessions be useful for you. So in terms of those, you may have already been given a booklet like this from your teacher. So your teacher may have printed out the 100 days to go revision session booklet to go with GCSE Higher or GCSE Foundation and given it to you. If you wanted to print a copy of that booklet yourself, if you go to the description below, there's a link to it and you can click that and you can print that booklet yourself. Alternatively, your teacher may have bought the 100 Days to Go revision session booklet for GCSE Higher and also GCSE Foundation, and you may have been given one of those. And likewise, if you wanted a copy of those booklets, there's a link to it in the description below as well. And that'll help you prepare for those 100 Days to Go revision sessions. Now, in terms of those revision sessions, if we have a look at the GCSE Higher schedule, if we go to 100 Days to Go, the first revision session is on angles and parallel lines. So looking at those alternate angles, corresponding angles, vertically opposite angles, co-interior angles, things like that. And in that revision session, I'll go through the key information. There'll be some examples, and then there'll be some questions for you to try. And I'll ask you to press pause during that revision session and to try those questions. And in terms of doing those questions, you can't just use paper and a pencil or a pen and do those questions. Alternatively, you can use the booklet or the book, and those questions will be printed for you. So when it comes to doing that revision session, you can do the answer straight into the book. And it'll just be a bit easier for you if you've got the booklet or the book whenever you're doing those revision sessions. And then that'll be that day's revision session. And then with 99 days to go, there's angles and polygons. So we'll be going through the key information, then there'll be questions for you to try and so on. And then it carries on like that. I go through topics. With 66 days to go, there's a video on revision tips, and I go through tips on how to revise. And it carries on 51 days to go, there's a sine rule. 50 days to go, there's a cosine rule. 44 days to go, we're going to be doing a practice paper. So I've made a bespoke practice paper. And then with 43 days to go, we'll go through the answers and so on. And it builds you all the way up until that first GCSE Maths exam paper on Thursday, the 14th of May, 2026. Likewise, for GCSE Foundation, the 100 Days to Go revision sessions for GCSE Foundation Maths, you may have the book or the booklet. And in terms of those revision sessions, with 100 days to go, we'll be looking at the 4 operations. With 99 days to go, we'll be looking at rounding, 98 days to go, order of operations, and so on. And each of those days, I'll be going through the key information, some examples, and then I'll be asking you to press pause and to try those questions. So with 3 weeks to go until we start those 100 Days to Go revision sessions, it might be a good idea now to either go to the description below and get a copy of that PDF and print that booklet for you so that you've got it ready whenever you start those either GCSE Higher or GCSE Foundation 100 Days to Go revision sessions. Or if you wanted to order the A4 book, that would be quite useful for you as well. And with 3 weeks to go, it's the perfect time to consider getting that book. And if you're a teacher, obviously we do big discounts on those books as well, so it'd be quite useful. Rather than saving you having to photocopy them, you can order them from us as well if you're a teacher and want to prepare your students for their exams as well. So that's it. So I just wanted to remind you there's 121 days to go into your first GCSE Maths exam paper, and then in 3 weeks time we'll be starting the 100 Days to Go revision sessions, and I really hope you find this useful. And in terms of those revision sessions, what I'll do is I'll do another video with 14 days to go, and then with 7 days to go, and then there'll be the daily videos every single day up until the day before the exam. And that's it. So thanks very much. Cheers.